Hey guys, I am back with another video, and today we have this automatic cat poop sweeper for Skunk, and apparently she's a unicorn because she's pooping out all different colors of poop. So let's see what happens. And also, you can use clumpable regular litter for it. And then, as you can see, into a bag it goes. And look at how cool that is. It even grades the litter for next use. And it also has a cool feature in the dark time, or in the nighttime, when it's dark. It has a sensor. So it has built-in lights, which is crazy for a cat litter thing. So that works out pretty good. And what is cool about this is it has an automatic setting on it, so you don't have to do it yourself. So every time she... What is that? Oh, that's the sensors right there. So every time she leaves, it does it automatically. And then, like I said, under there is the bag. See? Look at that. There's her fruity tooties. So, like I said, it's a nature's miracle, and hopefully this will help someone out if they're looking into an automatic cat litter sweeper. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully it was funny, and I'll see you guys on the next one.